So this is another type where we will see that the contract will be for a many years. अब तक जो भी देखा था वहां पर सिर्फ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 1 year के लिए ही होता था. So we used to prepare a one contract account, but now the sum which we are doing is a type of where the contract will be prepared for the many years. कि अगर बहुत सारे साल चला, say for example 2 years हुआ या 3 years हुआ, तो then have to do the posting and have to do the adjustments. कैसे फिर उसका कितने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट्स बनेंगे, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे. सो लेट्स गो विद सम. Messrs. Jadhav Constructions undertook a contract for 5 crore. So what is the contract price over here? The contract price is 5 crore on 1st August 2016. कब स्टार्ट हुआ? 1st August 2016 को स्टार्ट हुआ. The contract was completed on 31st March 2018. मतलब देखो, it started in the year 2016. That is on 1st of August 2016 and it completed on 31st of March 2018. मतलब वो 1 year से ज्यादा चला, obviously. Okay, it's more than a year. The contractor closes his accounts on 31st of March. Contractor अपना account कब close कर देता है? Obviously financial year end आया तो वो अपना books को 31st March को close कर देता है. The details of the contracts are as follows. So he is giving us the details. Now for the period ended 31st March 2017 means from 1st of August 2016 to 31st of March 2017. कितने months हो गए सी? August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb and March. So total how many months? 8 months. ठीक है. So ये जो information होगी वो कितने months की होगी? 8 months. And जो next year होगा, that is from 31st, so from 1st April 2017 to 31st of March 2018, वो पूरा year है. So this information is given for whole of the year. Now first one is material issued. Material issued, contract account, debit side. As I have told you, contract account is a nominal account. So debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Direct labor again expense है, contract account debit side. Subcontract charges again an expense, contract account debit side. Administrative overheads again an expense, contract account debit side. Supervision charges again an expense, contract account debit side. So ये all this 5 will be debited in the contract account. Next is material return to store. हमने मटेरियल को क्या कर दिया? रिटर्न कर दिया. So obviously contract account which side it will be recorded? It will be recorded on the credit side. Work uncertified. Okay, तो one work certified as well as work uncertified हम दोनों कहाँ पर record करते हैं? Under the head WIP and WIP we record in the contract account credit side. Now if you see over here we have a work certified but on a cumulative basis. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? पहले कितना था? 2 crore था और at the end it is 5 crore का complete. देखो complete हो गया है, 5 crore का complete work certified हो गया at the end. सो इसके ऊपर क्यूमुलेटिव मतलब ये 2 लाख में प्लस नेक्स्ट ईयर कितना ऐड हुआ था, तो 3 crore was been added, so the total came to 5 crore. So this is how the cumulative मतलब 2 lakh plus 2 crore plus 3 crore, so which is equal to the 5 crore. तो cumulative basis पर हुआ है. Material at the site, so this is a closing value of a material which is at the site. Again W and the head WIP you are going to write it down. So contract account credit side. Cash received is given. Architect का fees 4% of the work certified, fine. So architect fees is an expenditure for us. So कहाँ पर record होगा? Contract account debit side. Plant and machinery purchased on 1st of August 2018 for the contract was 84 lakh 25,000 and the estimated scrap value of the plant and machinery at the end of the contract was 4 lakh 25,000. So what they have given? They have given us the purchase value and they have given us the scrap value. तो if we cost minus scrap करेंगे हम तो easily हमें क्या मिलेगा? Plant की cost and it realized on the completion of the contract as it is estimated scrap value. और कितना months? तो तुम लोग देखो हाँ, depreciation अगर charge करना होगा तो you will have to calculate the total number of the months because उसकी वो total life कितनी है. So we saw that this first ये जो है वो कितने months के लिए बना? 8 months. Second it is for whole of the year means 12 months. So 8 plus 12. So total number of the months is 20. तो व्हाट वी टेक व्हाइल टेकिंग अ डेप्रिसिएशन अगर लगाना है तो कॉस्ट माइनस स्क्रैप डिवाइड बाय यूजफुल लाइफ, तो यहाँ पर इसकी यूजफुल लाइफ कितने मंथ्स की थी? 20 मंथ्स की थी। समझ में आया? डोंट वरी, वी विल डू द डिटेल कैलकुलेशन, तब और क्लियर हो जाएगा। जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग के हाँ ऐसे करना है। नेक्स्ट नाउ, you are required to prepare contract account for the period ended 31st March 2017 and the contract account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Means we have to prepare over here the two contract account. Okay, we have to prepare how many contract account? Two contract account for the year end 31st March 2017 and for the year end 31st March 2018. Okay, so let's prepare a contract account. First, we need to write it down in the books of Messrs. Jadhav Constructions. Then contract account for the year ended. First is 31st March 2017. Same way, you have to prepare a second contract account. Contract account for the year ended 31st March 2018. So let's start the posting part. सबसे first है material issued. So as I told you, contract account debit side. So 5,48,500. Next is direct labor. So 2 direct labor. 31,37,800. This subcontract charges to 2. Subcontract charges 7,88,900. Then we have a administrative overheads. So 2 administrative overheads. $15,85,000 for the supervision charges. So 2 supervision charges 45,600. Is material return to store. So contract account credit side. Next is work certified. So it will be written under the head WIP. So by WIP work certified. Then we have work uncertified. That 23,200. Then we have material at site. $1,06,000. And architect fees. So 2 architect fees. 4% of work certified. So 2 crore का 4%. Everyone just do it. 8 lakh rupees. So write down over here 8 lakh. Next we need to write it down plant. So to plant, because it's given now over here. कितने वैल्यू का था? 84,25,000. If you are writing the opening plant, so obviously WIP के head के अंदर क्या लिखोगे? Closing value of a plant after charging the depreciation. So we need to do the working note for the same. Same way what we will do, हम second contract account में भी सारी चीजें को record कर लेते हैं. Fine. So come in the second contract account. Material issued is how much? You need to class, just a minute. You need to do what you need to take. You need to take some of the space because obviously ना ये time का जो भी closing होगा WIP, that will become the opening WIP for the next year. So ये पहले तो हमारा opening बन जाएगा, जो closing है वो यहाँ पर. So you leave off certain of the place and then you start writing all the this information. So better you leave 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So you leave the 5 lines and then you just start writing down. So material issued is of 1 crore 17 lakh 65,000. 5,000. Next is direct labor. Direct labor is of a value 45 lakh 40,000. Is subcontract charges of 28 lakh 13,000. Administrative overheads 31 lakh 42,000. Next we have a material return to store. So buy return two lakh 44,300. Next we have a supervision charges 8 lakh 5,500. Next is architect fees, 4% of work certified. Now class, remember your thing, it is work certified is on a cumulative basis. So you do not have to take on a 5 crore, you have to take on a 3 crore. देखो 2 crore plus 3 crore जब add होगा तब जाके आपको 5 crore मिलेगा. So you have to take over here 4% of 3 crore. Four percent of 3 crore comes to 12 lakh rupees. What happened at the end of the contract? End of the contract means in the year, on the मतलब last date of the year, that is 31st March 2018 को this machinery got scrapped. ठीक है, देखो it is written on realize on the completion of the contract. So this machinery got scrapped. तो जब भी plant scrap हो गया तो obviously where you write it down? Contract account के credit side. Why are you not writing in this? Because ये कब scrap हुआ है? At the end scrap हुआ है. So that is why you have to record in this contract account. So by or you can write it down by plant scrap. $4,25,000. देखो ये साल क्या हो गया था, होल ऑफ द वर्क वॉज सर्टिफाइड, पूरा वर्क सर्टिफाइड हो गया था और हमें एट द एंड होल ऑफ द 5 करोड़ वॉज बिन गिवन. ठीक है, सो हु गेव अस द दिस होल ऑफ द 5 करोड़ का अमाउंट? ऑब्वियसली द कॉन्ट्रैक्टी गिव इट. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट we got whole of the 5 crore ka amount. So obviously here you will be writing down by contractee account 5 crore rupees, because we have received this money from the contractee. Now almost we have recorded each and everything. We just need to do the working note for the depreciation. So doing the working notes over here. Give the heading working notes. First one. First we need to calculate the depreciation on a plant. Cost minus scrap value this will be divided by estimated life. Equals to cost is how much? 84,25,000 minus scrap value कितना था? 4,25,000. So you have to divide it by estimated life. So what is the estimated life? 20 months. मैंने बताया कैसे 8 months और then 12 months. So total हो जाएगा 20. So this will be equals to, just divide and see, 80 lakh divided by 20. So 4 lakh rupees. And the first contract was for how many months? 8 months. ये क्या निकाला हमने कि एक मंथ का कितना आता है डेप्रिसिएशन, तो पर मंथ का इट इज 4 लाख रुपीज. सो फर्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाज फॉर द 8 months. तो 8 months का कितना? month used. First contract was used for the 8 months, so 4 lakh into 8, which will be equal to 32 lakh. We got a depreciation of 32 lakh. So if अभी हम यहाँ पर जाते हैं प्लांट पे, तो opening balance, that is 84 lakh 25,000 minus 32 lakh. 32 lakh क्या आया? Depreciation आया through a working note. If you want, still you write it down over here, working note, for your understanding, so that while referring the sum, you will see the working note. So closing value is how much? 2 lakh 25,000. Sorry, 52 lakh 25,000. You have to carry it down because the contract is lasting for 2 years. Less than 2 years for 20 months. Done. अब जब almost we have done for whole of this contract, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can just see which side is higher. 2 crore 59 lakh 81,200 is the credit side का total, and debit side it is coming to 2 crore 46 lakh 31,200. So obviously credit side is higher than the debit. So just write it down, the total of credit on both the sides, 2 crore 59 lakh 81,200. So we will be getting a notional profit. So 2 add it down, 13 lakh. Here you will be writing down by profit brought down 13 lakh. Now see, ये ईयर का क्लोजिंग विल बिकम द नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए ओपनिंग, करेक्ट? तो नेक्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए दिस विल बी एन ओपनिंग बैलेंस. So it will be over here, WIP brought down. समझ में आया? ये साल का क्लोजिंग विल बिकम द नेक्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए ओपनिंग. अब देखो वर्क कंप्लीट कितना हुआ है फर्स्ट ईयर में, दैट इज नॉट गिवन, बट वी कैन फाइंड इट आउट. We can easily find it out. How we can find it out? Percentage of work completed, work certified divided by contract price into 100. तो उससे ये पता चल जाएगा कि how much is the work which has been completed. ठीक है, so let's find it out. Second working note of profit P&L account. First we will find out how much work is completed. ठीक है, but this we are going to find it out for first year, 31st of March 2016, 2017. So what we are going to find out first, percentage of work completed. This will be equals to contract work certified, that is 2 crore, divided by contract price, that is 5 crore, into 100. Work completed find करना है तो how you will do? WIP, sorry, the WC, that is a work certified, divide by contract price into 100. So work which has been completed is how much? 40%. If the 40% of the work is completed, तो फिर कौन सा वाला जाएगा? 2/3 जाएगा, 1/3 जाएगा, कितना जाएगा in the P&L account? How much will be charged? Yes, obviously 1/3 of the notional profit. Because if the work is completed from 25% to 50%, so 1/3 of the notional profit into cash received divided by what you are going to do? Work certified. Now we need to find out. हम क्या करते थे? हम percentage लेते हैं, correct? We take down the percentage कि कितना work complete हुआ है. मतलब see when we take 1/3, तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम लेते हैं percentage में. So better कि we find out the percentage as well of a cash received. So percentage of cash received work certified is equals to कितना वर्क कैश रिसीव्ड हुआ है? सी 1 crore 80 lakh का कैश has been received. It is given in the question. Divided by work certified 2 crore into 100. 90% we have received the cash. So now we can easily apply the formula. 1/3 into notional profit. Notional profit सी हमें कितना मिला है? 13,50,000. So 13,50,000 into 90%, that is 90 divided by 100. Just calculate and see. 4,05,000. So 4,05,000 will be taken into the profit and loss account. So here you need to take 2 profit and loss account. $4,05,000. So to WIP, and this is a reserve. Just carried down. So 13,50,000 is higher, so it will be written on both the sides. If I subtract from 13,50,000, 4,05,000, so reserve will be 9,45,000. So if this reserve is carried down, so next contract ke liye it will be brought down. So by WIP, this is nothing but this is your reserve, brought down 9,45,000. So अब यहाँ पर तो obviously your contract is getting completed. Now there is no need to find it out. The जो भी हमें यहाँ पर second contract में जो भी मिलेगा that will be our original profit. उतना हमारा normal profit होगा, estimated वाला नहीं होगा. बिकॉज एट द एंड हमें जो भी मिल जाएगा दैट विल बी आर प्रॉफिट, कि हमने हाँ उतना कमाया हमारे इसमें. सो जस्ट टेक इट डाउन. एंड क्लास वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू वांट ईयर कि ये कैसे आया देखना है, तो you can just write it down over your working note number 2, because this was we have done in working note number 2. और यहाँ पर चाहिए तो वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1 लिखना है तो लिख लो. So now just close it. क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल इज 5,16,14,300, whereas डेबिट साइड का टोटल इज 5,01,14,300. So obviously credit is higher than the debit. Just write down the credit total on both the side. 5,16,14,300 to profit and loss account. ₹15 lakh. So with this, we are done with our sum. This is how you have to do when they are asking when the contract will be lasting for 2 months. So, sorry, for the 2 years, almost 2 years, that is 20 months, 8 months for this period and 12 months for this period. So total comes to a 20 months. So that is why we have prepared a 2 contract account, and even they have asked us to prepare a contract account, 2 separate contract accounts, for first for the period ended 31st March 2017 and second for the period year ended 31st March 2018.